You see, problem yenu maswata ninkolo. You see, I told you, I've got friends in America. You see, so kufika kwangithengela lo tshwala. Angithi kuyangathi ngithandzana. Kwangithengela lo tshwala. You see, yabo. I'll never lie to you. Huh? I've got a black American. I've got a black American woman. You see. So, lengwanda these days, ngilala la phasi. I can show you. Ngoba phela vela ningikholwa. Ngilala phasi mina. Asengikhombisa. Ngilala phasi mina. You see? You see? Ngilala lana mina. And lo mntwana naye somtshelela uthi, Big Daddy, I now also sleep on the floor. Angithi ke Loko mntwana lokho. Loko mntwana lokho. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. You see, in America, we're living the life. Unlike Lankona Corner. Your wish is still to make it here. You see, there's more in America. Kushayela phela nakungifaka la ngiyasiva kahle ngoba ngilesa sekuseni. You see, ngilesa sekuseni kahle. Sengiyasho nje ukuthi lesa sekuseni ngiyaphinza ngithi lesa sekuseni. You see?